Students, we are on the comprehension questions which are related to the text. Let's discuss what are those questions. And the first question is, what happened when Abu Jahl asked about Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu? When Abu Jahl asked about Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, Hazrat Asma simply posed a counter question that how would she know about him? At this, Abu Jahl became furious and slapped Hazrat Asma's face. So student, this was the answer of this question. I hope you understand this question. And the next question is, why was the Hazrat Abu Quhafa worried? First, Hazrat Abu Quhafa was the name of a person who is the grandfather of Hazrat Asma. Hazrat Abu Quhafa was worried because he thought that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq had taken away all the wealth, leaving Hazrat Asma and the children empty-handed and helpless. So student, this was the answer of the second question. I hope you understand the answer, student. And the third question is, how did Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha console her grandfather? So students, she put some pebbles at the place of money and jewels and covered them with a piece of cloth. She made her grandfather touch them and said that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq had left all this wealth at home. In this way, she wisely consoled her grandfather. So student, this was the answer of question number 3. I hope you understand this answer. And the question number 4 is, who was Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair? यहाँ पे राइटर हमसे पूछ रहा है कि हज़रत अब्दुल्ला बिन ज़ुबैर कौन थे, यानी उनका हज़रत अस्मा से क्या रिलेशन था. सो हज़रत अब्दुल्ला बिन ज़ुबैर was the son of हज़रत अस्मा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा and हज़रत ज़ुबैर bin al-Awam रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु. And the question number 5 is, which incident in the story showed Hazrat Asma's love and respect for the Prophet Muhammad, यानी कि Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? She took risk of her life, bore hardships, and managed to supply food to Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and her father. She shows her great love and respect for the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So student, this was the answer of question number 5. And the question number 6 is, which incident in the story tells about the generosity of Hazrat Asma? इस क्वेश्चन में स्टूडेंट राइटर हमसे पूछ रहा है कि ऐसा कौन सा वाक़या है जिससे हमें हज़रत अस्मा की जनरोसिटी का, यानी उनकी सखी दिलत, यानी कि उनकी सखावत का पता चलता है. So we can write that when she inherited a garden after the death of her sister Hazrat Aisha, she sold it and gave away all the money among the poor and the needy and felt more pleasure than those who received the gifts. This incident tells us about her generosity. Students, this was all about question number 6. And the question number 7 is, what message do you get from the life of Hazrat Asma? So students, we can get this message from her life that we should face all the hardships and dangers bravely and courageously while following the right path. So students, this was the answer of question number 7. Students, we are on the last comprehension question answer section, and the question is, her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. How? So student, ये आखिरी सेंटेंस है कि कैसे हज़रत अस्मा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा की ज़िंदगी हमारे लिए एक मशअल राह है. So we can answer this question in this way, that Hazrat Asma was a true Muslim and a follower of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She was a role model for the entire Muslim Ummah. She was a perfect example of modesty, truthfulness, honesty, piety, bravery, and even generosity. She did not take care of her life and served the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and humanity devotedly. We should follow her in true spirits to become a true Muslim. So student, this was the answer of last question. Let's move towards the next question, which is about the syllables.